Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. The sender and receiver must support Bluetooth file transfer OBEX. Once confirmed, charge both devices and disable airplane mode so radios are active. Next, enable Bluetooth on both devices and set the receiving device to visible or discoverable. Make sure device names are recognizable to avoid pairing the wrong gadget. Pair the two devices if prompted. Once paired, you're ready to locate the video file and start the transfer from the sender's file manager. Now locate your video in the gallery or file manager and use the share option to send via Bluetooth. Select Bluetooth as the send method, then choose the paired receiving device from the list. Once you tap send, watch the transfer progress indicator. Large files will take longer, so be patient. Keep both devices within 10 meters and avoid obstructions for stable throughput. If prompted, accept the incoming file on the receiver. Once transfer begins, do not interrupt the Bluetooth connection or switch modes. After transfer completes, play the received video to confirm integrity and that it transferred fully. If playback is corrupted or the transfer failed, unpair both devices and pair them again, then retry the send. Make sure Bluetooth is not sharing bandwidth with other peripherals. Move closer if throughput is poor. As a last resort, split the video into smaller files or compress it to reduce size and try sending in parts. If one attempt times out, restart Bluetooth on both devices before repeating the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.